Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going over essential tools every bonsai enthusiast should have. Whether you're just starting or you're experienced, having the right tools makes all the difference in caring for and shaping your bonsai. Let's dive in. Basic pruning tools. First up, bonsai shears. These are like scissors but sharper, designed for precise cuts on small branches and twigs, helping your bonsai heal cleanly. Next is the concave cutter, a must-have for removing thicker branches. Its unique shape leaves a concave wound that heals more naturally, blending with the trunk and minimizing scars. Specialty pruners for fine-tuning. To achieve a refined look, specialty pruners are key. Knob cutters remove branch stubs or thick knobs, creating a smooth, clean finish. For root maintenance during repotting, root pruners make it easy to cut tough roots without harming delicate root hairs. Wiring tools for shaping. Wiring helps us shape branches. You'll need bonsai wire, aluminum for flexibility or copper for strength. Different thicknesses are essential. For safe wire removal, wire cutters designed for bonsai allow close, precise cuts without damaging branches. Potting tools for repotting. Repotting is crucial for root health and soil refresh. A root rake is essential for untangling roots and removing old soil without damage. A soil scoop helps you layer fresh soil evenly. Heavy-duty bonsai wire is used to anchor the roots to the pot, giving the tree stability as it grows. Tool maintenance for longevity. To keep your tools in top condition, sharpening stones or whetstones are a must. Regular sharpening keeps cuts clean and safe for your bonsai. Disinfecting with cleaning solutions prevents disease spread, keeping your trees healthy. Essential extras. Finally, a few extras make all the difference. A fine nozzle watering can allows gentle watering without soil erosion. Chopsticks help settle soil around roots after repotting, and a soft brush cleans dirt from trunks and branches, bringing out your bonsai's natural beauty. And that's it. These essential tools will help you care for and shape your bonsai like a pro. Start with the basics, then add specialty tools as you advance. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which tool you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy bonsai growing.